Hi everyone, welcome back to another Nykaa Network Live. Today we have with us Bharat Gudambe of B&D Cosmetics. So hi Bharat, how are you doing? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Bharat Godambe here. Thank you, Naika. We are doing makeup on Rupal,
Hi.
bridal makeup today. So already we have finished the base on the face, full foundation, and I'm going to do smoky eyes on her. Beautiful eyes she having. Pastel lips color I'm going to do, and little bit smoky eyes with the countering her face. Let's start. Okay. Thank you.
Awesome. Very excited to have you here today Bharat.
Thank you. Close eyes. So first we are putting base under the eyes, eyebrow.
Is there any reason that we do this?
Yeah, because eyeshadow I'm going to use is going to highlight the eyeshadow area. This I'm making purposely little lighter color here. Going to help to bring out eyeshadows.
Evening out the base on her eyes so that the color pops more. That's actually a very nifty trick, you guys.
Yeah, it's going to help for the eyeshadows. They're very subtle. You should not use too much, otherwise you will get the crease here.
And we hate that clumping in the crease.
Later on, after 1 hour, you will get the big crease and foundation is coming out.
So this is kind of like priming the eyes.
Yes, right.
Amazing. So what is the color palette you've picked for her, Bharat?
Yeah, I'm going to use eye shade little bit peach and pink and slightly smoky eyes with the dark color brown and black, and I'm going to do little countering with the red.
That sounds really, really interesting.
Later, this look she can go with the Sangeet, or she can go with the wedding, or even side function. I'm not doing very subtle makeup, I'm doing slightly dressy makeup, so any function she can go, but I'm going to do soft makeup, not too much blusher, not too much dark lipstick, not too much heavy look. I'm going to create the nice smoky eyes around the eyes, open eyes. Her eyes are really beautiful and good lashes also.
I'm sure Rupal is super excited about this look.
Yeah, Rupal?
Yeah, very excited.
So I'm going to put a little small tape under the eyes.
We've all seen this on Instagram, Bharat. Can you tell us why we do this?
Because you get the nice line here, the finishing line, both sides same equal, and it's very important. This is the new technique, not new technique, it's very old technique, but you have to use very careful while putting this tape. It should be equal both the side, otherwise up and down you will get the eyeshadow.
Correct.
So very important is equally both sides. So I'm going to start.
But just 1 second, about this look, aren't you worried that some of the base may come off? Like, you know, if you have your eyes already done, your under eyes, your concealer's already in place, and if I put something on top of that, isn't that worrying?
Yeah, no, that's why I'm taking out the glue from the tape little bit. So it's not harshly stuck, it's very lightly and easily you can remove.
That's a great trick, Bharat. Thank you so much for that.
And in case come out little bit base, you can use the same foundation blush, little bit tap it here. That's it.
Okay, that's very interesting.
So I'm going to put here peach orangey color, corner of the eyes.
So Bharat, we have a question from a user. They say, my daughter has dark circles under her eyes and is scared it'll show up in her wedding pictures. What kind of color correction should she go for?
See, depend on the skin tone also. If person is little dark or maybe little fair, so if it is fair, so not to use too much orange color, green color. I think little subtle colors close to the matching the skin. And person have a slightly darker, then you can use a green shade to tone down the her dark circle, and later on you can use a concealer under the eyes and spread it in downward like this.
Okay.
The dark circle can nicely go away. So I am using gold color here, eyeshadow, corner of the eye. Slightly makeup artists have to see eyes are slightly closed eyes towards the nose. So you should not use the darker color here. Lighter color always going to help.
That is a pro tip alert, guys.
Yes, it's very important. Never do dark corner because close shade of eyes.
Very interesting. So, Bharat, tell me, can someone with hooded eyelids practice this eye look?
As somebody have fluffy eyes, hooded eyes, so you have to do darker shade here, not lighter shade.
Okay.
What you using the highlighter here, you should take the darker color close to the skin tone. That's going to help you.
Okay, very interesting. We have another very interesting question, Bharat. Someone says, in case my makeup artist cancels, should I have a backup plan or will they send someone in their place?
Yeah, always better to have backup plans in case this case happens. So always backup plan is going to help you. But I don't think so. This thing will happen during the important daytime.
Bharat, what is the process you're doing right now? What step is this?
So I am using the darker black and brown eyeshadow. I am doing little contouring here, and see I am top of the tape. I am putting my brush. It doesn't make any problem.
And no
the skin.
fallout.
And fallout also here. It doesn't matter. We can take out tape easily, and it's going to look great look.
Amazing. So is there any reason that we've used the dark color only on the outer edge?
Yeah, it's going to give little smoky eyes effect, and I'm going to use a kohl pencil.
So interestingly enough, we have a question about kajal. A user asks us, I love wearing kajal on my eyes, but it tends to get smudged after a few hours. Is there any way I can make my kajal smudge proof?
Non-waterproof pencil, and it's very important that kajal should stay a longer time, 5-6 hours. Yeah, I'm giving equally enough the black contouring. Again I am brushing this orange color here. Now I'm going to do use another color, darker color, maroon red here.
To define the outer corners of her eyes.
Yes.
Wow.
And this flat brush is going to help exactly where you want to put it.
Why do we use the flat brush here, Bharat?
Because flat brush going to help you whichever angle you want, you can create that angle.
Oh, so it gives you more control.
Yes, control, and plus you can create the nice crease here.
Should someone with smaller eyes do this? Use this technique?
Basically, it depends on your function, how big it is. Makeup artists also can handle the small eyes very good. You know, it depend. The lighter color inside is very important for the even smaller eyes also.
Okay.
So lighter color inside, outer color fine if it is dark.
Someone asks us, I have a lot of texture on my face because of cystic acne.
Huh.
So, will makeup help cover it up and give me the appearance of smooth skin?
Yes, you can cover acne with the nice concealing with the different color. I say the green color, a light orange color. It depends on the makeup artist skill. Always you can cover the acne very nicely with the concealer, and it's going to look smooth also.
Okay.
Technique is very important. So whoever want to cover that technique, at least one lesson you should take from the professional makeup artist. That is very important. Or nowadays YouTube you can see. Always you can do that.
Or always watch a live on Nykaa network.
Yeah, of course.
What do you think about YouTube tutorials, Bharat? Have they replaced people actually going to makeup academies?
Yeah, personally you are coming to the professional person and they are going to give you the tips from the day to day, and very closely you can see that from the professional experienced people, and that is the very important. If you go anyone to learn makeup and hairstyle or anything, go to the most longer time experienced people. That is the very important, not like 1 year 2 years. 20 years experience, we have 30-year experience. That's why we can give you all the clues.
Of course, there's no substituting experience with YouTube. You can't do that.
Yeah, right.
We have another question where a user asks us, I have really dry and flaky skin, but I don't like the dewy look, which is really in fashion right now. So, what tips would you suggest?
Yeah, so if you want the matte look, don't use too much moisturizer or primer. You can use little bit. You can use that primer or moisturizer 10 minutes before starting your makeup, and later on you can reduce that moisturizer or primer, and then you do your makeup. So you will not get the greasy look. That is the important. 15 minutes before you put and take it out.
Okay, so
your
that
skin
takes
will
care
be
of the
healthy
dry
and-
skin also, of
Yeah.
course.
So I'm going to use little bit glitter on this area, putting the glitter base with the brush. This is the area I'm going to put, very little, not too much. And this is also you have to use very little, not too much.
It might start clumping.
Yes, and on the same brush I'm taking little bit glitter. Just dab little bit.
So you're only placing this in the inner corner in the
inner
middle of
corner
her.
area.
Okay.
And excess you can take it out with this brush, suppose in case if you don't want too much.
Okay, pro tip guys, keep a fluffy brush handy to take off any excess fallout. Wow.
Yes, you can
Wow.
open eye. So I'm going to use kohl pencil here, this area. See, I'm using kohl pencil up to the here because close shade eyes. I don't want to give the dark here.
So it will make her eyes look bigger this way.
Yes.
Okay, very interesting.
And back up those pencils, sponge is there. You can smudge little bit.
So Bharat, in the event that somebody doesn't have a smudger at the end of their kajal pencil, what can they use?
They can use brush like this for the smudging,
Okay.
or even cotton buds.
Wow, that's an interesting tip.
And I'm using gold eyeshadow, corner of the eye.
We love a good inner corner highlight.
Yes.
So this will also make her eyes look bigger?
Yes, it doesn't make more smaller.
Okay.
If you put the kajal here, eyes can look little smaller. I'm putting again dark color, black color.
Another question we have is,
Yeah.
every time I apply foundation, it creases around my laugh lines and under my eyes even after setting it with powder. What should I do?
So better always put less foundation here, not to put too much foundation, and always carry with you this kind of powder puff. Whenever you get the laugh line more, you can blend it like this.
Oh.
Even under eye like this. And again they will going to come, because that is the laugh line person having natural, and they're going to come back again, because when you applying the foundation, you are increasing that laugh line. You are not going to decrease. The laugh line going to add on your face. So that's why this is the important tip, to take a powder pad and dab like this.
Okay.
So now I'm going to do eyebrow. She has slightly light eyebrow here, less the gap. I'm going to fill that. I'm not going to do the too much dark color. Better to use the light brown, dark brown filling, and this is the one kind of eyebrow filling brush. It exactly depend on the function, what function for she is going. I think subtle eyebrow going to look great. I'm just filling little bit with the darker brown. I'm not creating thick eyebrow.
Bharat, are there any particular motions you should use? Any particular...
Yeah, this brush have shape like us, so you have to go upward like this.
Ah, use the slant
Yeah.
straight shape. Okay.
And come down like this. In fact, you can go down and see little bit gap here. The same thing here. I am going to start from here. So eyebrow also important part of eye makeup.
It's not just your eyelids, ladies.
And then later on, important part is take a colorless mascara and comb them upward. So they will stay, the hair will stay as it is this way. It's not going to come this way.
Ah.
So important part is comb it upward like this, brush it nicely.
And it also gives the face an angular feeling.
Yes.
Okay, very interesting.
So I'm going to use the eyeliner now, the cake liner with the water.
So you're mixing water and a cake liner.
Cake liner with the water. Important that you will get a nice line. Your line will not go like this. The liquid liner or gel liner, sometimes your hand shake and you go up and down. This is the cake liner, like a watercolor, and you can easily draw.
Wow, I've never seen one of these before. That looks really, really interesting.
And when you finish the two line here, then you go for the corner. By the time this cake liner will get dry, so your open eyes, look that side, then you do corner, look more down, then you do the corner.
Oh wow, I've never seen anyone do eyeliner this way, guys. I hope you all have noted down exactly how Bharat is doing this.
So this is the eyeliner complete. Close eyes, and if it is wet, you can do this way also and get dry quickly. And now I want to do little longer liner out, the long line. Open eyes, look that side, little down, and
Any tips for getting that wing just right?
yeah, it's very important. The under the where the lash end, from there you have to take this brush upward. This
Towards
way.
the
Yeah.
end of the
Correct.
eyebrow.
Yes. From this side. So eyeliner is complete.
Wow.
Now I'm going to put a slightly shimmery whitish highlighter here under the eyes, under the eyebrow. Close eyes. Here. Now, mascara is very important. You can put 2 coat, 3 coat. Your eye is going to look bigger and bigger.
We have a question from one of the users. They ask, my mascara tends to clump a lot. What can I do to solve this?
Important is the mascara should not get dry, and your mascara brush should be very nice, fine, and comb it from down upward like this. And in case get blotchy here, immediately you can take it out like this or this way, or you can use a eyebrow brush before get dried up. तो हमारे आईज कंप्लीट हो गए, तो हल्का सा काउंटरिंग कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं, ऑलरेडी लॉन्ग फेस है, हल्के से हाईलाइट यहाँ पर दिख रहा है, ऑलरेडी हाई चीक बोन। तो मैं थोड़ा सा मेरा डार्क ब्लशर लेके हल्का सा काउंटरिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, ऑलरेडी अच्छे से हाई चीक बोन्स निकल आए इनके।
भरत, कोई टिप्स जब हम कॉन्टूर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हमें कैसे करना चाहिए?
देखो, जो ब्राइट को हम काउंटरिंग करते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं करें, क्योंकि हर एंगल से इनको देखने वाले होते हैं, और लाइट भी कई बार डार्क होती है, कहीं पे ब्राइट होती है। तो ये काउंटरिंग अगर ज़्यादा करेंगे तो मे बी गोइंग टू लुक लाइक अ पैच, डार्क पैच। तो बी केयरफुल नॉट टू यूज टू मच ब्रॉन्जर, नॉट टू मच डार्क ब्लशर हियर, लिटिल बिट इन्हांस करे फेस को। नोज को भी हल्का सा कर सकते हैं। किसी को क्लिप बढ़ाना है तो वो भी काउंटरिंग यहाँ कर सकते हैं, किसी को अच्छा लगता है, किसी को नहीं, डिपेंड ऑन दैट।
भरत, जब हम ब्लश चूज़ करते हैं, क्या हमको हमारे आई मेकअप को भी कंसिडर करना चाहिए कि वो टू डार्क है तो कोई दूसरा कलर का ब्लश यूज़ करना चाहिए?
आई थिंक मोस्टली पिंक एंड पीची ब्लशर ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है, लेकिन डिपेंड करता है कि आपका अगर सब्जेक्ट क्या है। सब्जेक्ट अगर आपका अलग टाइप का है, कुछ पार्टी, यंगस्टर पार्टी है, ब्रॉन्जर करना है आपको फेस पे, तो ब्रॉन्ज ब्रशर भी यहाँ लगा सकते हैं, डिपेंड करता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है,
आपका इवेंट कौन सा
आपका
है उस
इवेंट
हिसाब
कौन सा
से।
है। आजकल ऐसे ऐसे इवेंट भी निकले हैं जहाँ पर ब्राइड काफ़ी अलग अलग सज धज के जाती है, तो उस टाइम आप कर सकते हो, बट नॉट मेन फंक्शन।
My skin is very sensitive and reacts a lot to makeup products from different brands. What kind of bridal makeup would you suggest for someone like me?
अगर आपकी स्किन आपको लगता है कि प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, प्रॉब्लम होता है मेकअप करने से, तो एक दो दिन मेकअप करने में हर्ज नहीं। अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर दूसरे चौथे दिन खराब भी हुई, सो व्हाट, बट आपको डी डे में तो खूबसूरत लगना ही है ना, तो गो फॉर इट, नो प्रॉब्लम। सपोज कोई सूटेबल फाउंडेशन है, आपको लगता है कि यही मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैक, बॉबी ब्राउन, भरत एंड डोरिस, नायका का, तो गो फॉर इट, सो व्हाट। तो वो आपका एक अलग से आपके बैग में रखना पड़ेगा, पर्स में रखना पड़ेगा। कोई भी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट यूज दिस फाउंडेशन, सो व्हाट।
Okay, that's fair. That's very fair. Where are you placing the highlight, Bharat?
And giving little highlighter here corner of the eyes, आजकल की मांग है ये। Even on the nose also.
Any tips when it comes to applying highlighter on the nose?
Y- yeah, use brush, this kind of, this brush can go corner of the eyes, corner of the like top of the nose, near the lips, and here I am going to use different brush.
So a fluffy brush which you can also use for eyeshadow from time to time.
Yes, that multi-purpose brush, even you can use one brush entire eye makeup. So what you have to do, take a nice wipe, always you brush out the earlier eyeshadow and reuse. So in a one brush you can do entire eye also.
Bharat, you caught us. We love a bargain. That was a great tip.
Thank you. So this is all, people have good experience, they know how to deal with the thing. अगर आपके बैग में नहीं है पर्टिकुलर चीज़, कभी कभी रह जाती है ना, कभी कभी आप भूल जाते हो, ब्राइड का मेकअप करते टेबल से नीचे गिर जाता है, अरे मस्करा नहीं, क्या करें। तो ऐसे वक्त पे आपका एक्सपीरियंस काम आता है, क्या करना चाहिए। काजल पेंसिल नहीं है, लाइनर नहीं है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, मस्करा को खोलते हैं, मस्करा के अंदर से लाइनर ब्रश लगा के उसको लाइनर यूज करते हैं। तो दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग।
Nice, nifty
जो
trip.
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट अपने दिमाग से काम करे तो हर चीज़ छोटे से किट में भी पूरा मेकअप कर सकते हैं।
Very true.
तो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज लिटिल बिट लिप बाम। अगर किसी के लिप्स ज़्यादा चाप्स हो, ड्राई हो, तो ये लिप बाम आप 10 मिनट पहले भी लगा सकते हैं। ऐसे कर लो थोड़ा लिप्स को, हाँ। लिप बाम अपने पेंसिल से उठा लो ऐसे, तो स्मूथ लिप घूमेगी लिप पेंसिल।
Very interesting. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, but right now Bharat has just picked up a little bit of lip balm and applied it on the tip of his pencil so that it glides smoothly. And smoothly it does.
Yes. So no required to go out for the potty lips, you already have nice lips. So I am following her.
Bharat, we have a question. A user asks us, bold lipsticks tend to make my lips look thinner than usual, but I want to wear a shade of red for my wedding reception. I have a medium skin tone. Do you have any suggestions?
तो लिपस्टिक पेंसिल लेके आपका पहले आउटलाइन कर लो, थोड़ा सा बाहर जाओ अपने नॉर्मल लिप से, और फिर लिपस्टिक लगाना और पाउटी बनाओ लिप्स, तो थोड़े आपके पतले लिप्स अच्छे भरे हुए लगेंगे। प्लीज़ डू इट डैट। पेंसिल अच्छी तरह से लगाना, इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आउटलाइन सही होना चाहिए। तो हम अभी पिंकिश शेड लिपस्टिक लगा रहे हैं।
भारत while doing this, अगर कोई गलती हो जाए तो हम कैसे क्लीन करें इसको?
कोई भी स्पॉट आ जाता है, कॉटन बड्स लेके उसमें हल्का सा जॉनसन बेबी ऑयल मिक्स करो, वही स्पॉट को उसको रब करना, वहाँ पर निकाल दो और फिर वाटर फिर से पाउडर पफ डैप कर देना, और जहाँ से आपने किया है वहीं पे फिर से फाउंडेशन ब्रश टैप कर देना, आपका प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल इजीली ठीक हो जाएगा।
That's interesting, guys.
The Johnson baby oil also very good for the
Everything.
correction, yeah, everything.
So Q-tips and Johnson's baby oil should be there right alongside your powder puff,
Cutting
guys.
Yeah, cutting the. Now I am going to apply a little bit gloss.
But the gloss, what happens is in some time we end up eating it up. What should we do to make it more long lasting?
So yes, best thing is then it depend on person to person. Suppose किसी के ग्लॉस जल्दी निकल जाते हैं तो मैट लिपस्टिक लगा के हल्का सा शिमर लगा सकते हैं उसके ऊपर ग्लॉसी फील देने के लिए। अदरवाइज यू हैव टू चेक ये लड़की ग्लॉस खाएगी कि टिकेगा, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो गिव द ब्राइट टिप्स। अगर आप कुछ खा रहे पी रहे तो स्ट्रॉ में पानी पी लो या जूस पी लो। खाना है तो छोटा बाइट लेके मुंह के अंदर डाल दो, तो आपकी लिपस्टिक और ग्लॉस एज इट इज़ रहेगा।
Beauty is pain, guys.
और जिसके टीथ लिप्स पे लगते हैं उन्होंने ग्लॉस ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो दांत पे दिखेगा, फोटो में भी दिखेगा और पब्लिक में भी दिखेगा तो ख़राब लग सकता है। तो मैट लिपस्टिक एंड शिमर वाला शाइन, दैट इज़ द वेरी गुड। मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट। तो मेरे पास एक मॉइस्चराइज़र का ब्रश है, उसको मैं ओवरऑल घुमा देता हूँ। तो जो भी मेरी मिस्टेक है या प्रॉब्लम है ये ब्रश कवर कर लेगा और स्मूथ इफेक्ट दे देगा।
That's a pro tip I have never seen before. Very, very interesting.
Thank you, it's very important. And suppose your blusher also go a little dark or problematic, just go round, everything will be all right. Same thing, this is the buffer brush. जो आइज का मेकअप प्रॉब्लम होता है तो दिस इज द बफर ब्रश, वैसे ही है फेस का बफर ब्रश। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट लिटिल बिट ब्रॉन्जर ऑन द नेक, तो फोटो में पिक्चर में अच्छा लगेगा ये भी फेस पार्ट। यस, इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द जब मेकअप कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ने सामने आके ऐसे पूरा फेस देख लो और पता कर लो कि कहाँ पर पैच है क्या है, एंड टेक अ मलमल एंड यू कैन मिस्टेक को ठीक कर सकते हैं ऐसे। बट एक बार देखना ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज जॉ लाइन पे कभी पैच दिखता है, यहाँ पर पैच दिखता है, बिकॉज मेकअप आर्टिस्ट शुड गो अराउंड द फेस एंड चेक द फेस, तो अच्छा रहता है कि कोई भी मिस्टेक रहेगी नहीं। अभी जैसे कि यहाँ पर मैं देख रहा हूँ, लुक नहीं ठीक है, शैडो है। ये रहा मेरा फाइनल लुक। कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताना, कुछ बातें शेयर करना है मेरे साथ करो, मैं भी आपको टिप्स दे दूंगा। थैंक यू नायका।